Good afternoon. This is the weekly weather briefing from your local National Weather Service forecast office right here in Chanhassen. All right, we'll start the broadcast off with a surface chart of the lower 48. And the first feature is the cold front, which swept through much of eastern Minnesota and western Wisconsin during the overnight, taking the rain and isolated thunderstorms with it, along with the cloud cover. Our next system is a building surface low pressure system, associated cold front and warm frontal boundaries that will slowly be moving east during the next 5 to 7 days. We do have an area of severe thunderstorms possible over northern Texas and western Oklahoma today. This is an infrared satellite image taken earlier this morning. And the clear thing to look at here is a large area of dry, cooler polar air infiltrating much of Minnesota and much of west central Wisconsin. This dry wedge of air will continue to pour in and keep us relatively dry right into late Friday afternoon. This area here, of course, is a large area of thunderstorm activity over eastern Oklahoma. This cooler dry air and radiational cooling later tonight has set us up for likely chances for frost over much of west central Wisconsin. In fact, we have a frost advisory that will be in effect tonight from midnight to 7 a.m. This area in blue, you'll encounter temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to the lower 30s. So any plants that you have outside should either be taken in or covered with paper, plastic, etc. Probably not a bad idea to bring the pets in as well. In addition, we do have widely scattered frost possibilities for the remainder of west central Wisconsin and a portion of far east central Minnesota. This chart is showing you basically the conditions we're expecting for the next 5 days. We'll be experiencing an upper level ridge. It will be building over much of the upper Midwest starting on Friday and continuing into at least Tuesday of next week. The storm system that's building over the Intermountain West will slowly be moving east. We'll encounter the warm frontal boundary emanating from this system on Friday night. That will give us the best chance for showers and thunderstorms for the next several days late on Friday night. Chances will become more scattered Saturday into Monday associated with this storm system, with more instances of dry weather in between the scattered shower and thunderstorm activity compared to the last system. Temperatures will be on a slow warming trend, really kicking in Saturday and extending into at least Wednesday of next week. In fact, by Wednesday of next week, you're looking at temperatures basically in the upper 70s for highs across much of the region. All right, breaking it down again, weather highlights, dry today, much of Friday, and then we're getting into another round of showers and thunderstorms beginning Friday night, where chances will be highest, into at least next Wednesday, with more breaks between showers and thunderstorms. Showers and thunderstorms will be of a more scattered variety starting on Saturday and extending into at least Wednesday. We do have a frost advisory tonight over much of west central Wisconsin, associated with much cooler temperatures, looking at upper 20s to lower 30s over this region. Remainder of the region, temperatures will plummet generally into the upper 30s to lower 40s. Slow warming trend begins on Friday, really kicks in on Saturday, and will extend into Wednesday of next week, with mid-70s to upper 70s expected by Wednesday and Thursday. As far as hazardous weather, no widespread severe weather is anticipated during the next 7 days, but we could have some isolated severe weather possible on Tuesday and Wednesday as the storm system I mentioned gets closer to our area. Could have a cold frontal passage associated with this on Thursday or Friday of next week, kicking up probabilities of precipitation probably into the 70% range or higher. All right, that pretty much ends the broadcast. Here are some links that you may find useful. And just want to say thanks for listening and have an outstanding afternoon.